Hey, what's up guys? Kyle Stumpenhorst, owner of RR Buildings, and we're here on site where we just wrapped up an install of LP SmartSide ExpertFinish siding and trim, and I wanted to talk to you quick about the ExpertFinish touch-up kit. So even though the ExpertFinish siding paint is super durable, there's obviously going to be accidents on site, and that's where the touch-up kit is definitely going to come into play. Now, if your scratch or scuff is bigger than 3/4 in diameter, an inch in length, or a 1/16 of an inch in width, you're going to want to replace that siding entirely. Otherwise, you can use the touch-up kit. Use your paint sparingly. You don't need to put a ton on. And also, for a consistent color match, make sure that you shake your touch-up kit for a minimum of 90 seconds before use. So in every touch-up kit, you are going to get two different applicators. One is going to be used for your cut edges. It's got a bigger head on it, and that's not what you want to use for your nails because you do have a nail applicator as well. That way you are only putting on the amount of paint that you're going to need for each application. Now, in my experience on any project I've been on, usually one kit per color is enough, but if you do need additional touch-up kits, you can always call LP, talk to your local sales representative, or if you're looking for more information on the touch-up kits, visit lpcorp.com.